2020 has been quite a year, and it's certainly been quite a real estate market. What does that mean for you as a buyer, seller, investor, or homeowner? That's next on Selling DC. I'm JP Montalvan, your sales, service, and success advisor. Remember to like, subscribe, and follow. So that we can stay in touch. Subscribe so that we can provide you the latest in market update, news, and tips on homes and having a great life. Also, if we can help you find an agent where you are, reach out. You can visit us at jpsellingdc.com or comment below. In summer and fall of 2020, we've seen intense demand for homes, people really looking to find the home that they want. And at the same time, we've seen record low inventories of homes available for sale. In fact, we've seen the lowest since 2013. So that takes us to the first thing to know. It's a hot market, and we expect it to remain that way. As reported by Realtor.com, the summer spilled into the fall. Prices are up 9.1% from last year. Homes are on the market 16 fewer days. 3.7 fewer homes are new to market, and the number of homes available for sale is down 40%. Why is the market as hot as it is? Well, there are two reasons. First, because people are staying at home more, and as a result, they're not putting their homes on the market. Second, with interest rates as low as they are, we're seeing record numbers of refinances, which means people are incentivized to stay at home in their existing homes. CNBC reports that applications for mortgages are rising, which means more buyers jumped into the market. 9% more homeowners are refinancing their homes, and if you're refinancing, you're not selling. Fewer sellers and more buyers means prices should continue to rise. The second thing to know is, will prices continue to go up at the rate that they're going up? Sales prices are still going up, but the rate of increase is going down, coming off of this last summer. As reported by World Property Journal, prices jumped 14% this summer. The key takeaway? Active listings fell 28% from last year. With more people staying at home and refinancing their homes, fewer homes means prices should rise through 2021. The third thing to know relates to the question, are people leaving big cities? The answer, no. The idea that we're going to work from home forever is really not a sustainable solution. What is some combination, some hybrid of working from home and working in the office. We're seeing companies taking that exact bet. Healthcare companies, tech companies, and other companies are buying up commercial space, even as retailers are struggling. The data shows that two cities have seen substantial move out. Those cities are San Francisco and New York. However, United Van Lines, a large moving company, has tracked the destinations, and the destinations of people moving out have been other urban cities. Another source, Apartment List, reports that searches for higher density cities were higher in the summer than in the spring. Searches for higher density cities rose 4%, while searches for similar or lower density cities dropped by 3%. Searches aren't actual move-ins or move-outs, but do point the general direction of where people are interested in moving to. And it was the people who live in the suburbs that drove these searches. Bloomberg reported on a study by national moving company United Van Lines. What were the top destinations for leaving New York City and San Francisco? Other urban cities. The bottom line, city people want to live in cities. We've talked about the hot market, how prices are starting to increase at a lower rate, and that the idea of people moving out of urban cities really is not the case. What does this mean for the rest of 2020 and into 2021? First, we don't see prices rising as aggressively as they have as we continue through the rest of this year and into 2021. Will they continue to rise? Sure. Why? Because inventory will stay low as people stay at home, and also because, again, they are highly incentivized now that they've refinanced their homes. If you're buying a home, we recommend buying as soon as you're ready to buy. Why? Well, because interest rates remain low and prices are continuing to go up, and we expect them to continue to go up as inventory will remain low through the rest of 2020 and into 2021. If you're a home seller, the time to sell is when you're ready to sell. We expect prices to continue to go up over time. Of course, selling is always a hyper-local decision, so it's important to check in with your great agent to see exactly what's happening in your neighborhood and in your city. That's your market update for 2020. What questions do you have? Comment below. We're happy to answer your questions as it relates to the DMV broadly, the nation, or even your neighborhood. Remember to like, subscribe, and follow. Like so that we know that this episode was helpful to you. Subscribe so that we can stay in touch and provide you more market updates, news that you can use, as well as stories of great homes and having a great life. If you need an agent or help, visit us at jpsellingdc.com and we would be very happy to help you. I'm JP Montalvan. See you next time on Selling DC.